Hi, everyone. This is Darla, and we're here today. I'm here with Team Sourced to wish you a happy holiday season. And each of us holds each of you who receives our messages, who joins our work, who follows us. We hold you in a really special, sacred place in our heart. And we wanted to give you a message from each of us here at Team Sourced today.
Hi, Julie here. My wish for you in 2021 is that all your dreams rise as you deepen your trust and love of self and source.
Hi, Chanel here. My wish for you in 2021 is abundance in all of your endeavors and courage to step out of your comfort zone.
Hello, I'm Manda, and my wish for you is that you're able to ride the beautiful, fresh new energies that are coming in for the new year for 2021. It's a real time of transformation, and your work is so vital, so important. Believe that, know that.
Hi, Veronica here. So excited for this next year and wishing you in 2021 just really the ability to stay connected to the highest and most beautiful, magical part of yourself and the courage to let that shine and always show up as much as you can in that energy, and that anything is possible when we do that. Can't wait to see what we all create. Have a great holiday.
Oh. Hi, it's Mimi and her assistant Val. I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas. And in this season, I am praying and holding you that technology works in your favor, and that all communication in this great time of connectedness happens in essence of your true heart's calling. Connection, I feel, breeds health, wealth, and love. And especially when technology and communication come together, we have more of that. Merry Christmas.
Hi, Janet here, wishing you a wonderful, wonderful holiday. And my wish for you in 2021 is one that I've been sitting on for myself too. So I hope that we can share this wish together. And that is that may grace find you and tap you on your shoulder and say, come with me into the new year and into the mystery. Follow me and dance. Have a wonderful year.
So beautiful. Darla here. And my wish for you this holiday season and into 2021 is that you really work your muscle of believing yourself, that you have a connection to your own inner wisdom, which comes from source. And when you believe yourself, you will continue to receive direction and guidance to lead you every step of the way. So if you can just increase just a little bit, like 10%, your receiving muscle, your believing muscle, and be 10% more bold in owning what only you know to be true and what only you can bring forward, the world will be a better place. And I just want to acknowledge my team this holiday season. Thank you so much. I love every single one of these wishes, and I'm taking them into my heart. And for everyone watching, if you can imagine surrounding yourself with amazing human beings who work from this place of love and light, like what else would be possible for you in your world? Please take that into the new year, and thank you all for who you are. Bye, everyone.